Hello guys, my name is Engineer Holiday. We want to solve this question. The question on these are very technical questions on resistance and on temperature and heat measurement. He said the resistance of a platinum wire at 0 degrees Celsius, 100 degrees Celsius, and 444.6 degrees Celsius is found to be 5.5 ohms, 7.5 ohms, and 14.5 ohms respectively. So that means 5.5 for 0, 7.5 for 100, and 14.5 for 444. Now, they said what respectively. The resistance of the wire of the resist of the at this temperature or at the temperature T degrees Celsius is given by the equation R equals to resistance at a particular temperature equal to resistance at highest point, open bracket 1 plus alpha t plus beta t square, close bracket. You find beta, the value of beta. Now, what we want to do here is simply we are going to resolve. Let's start with what? RT is equal to R naught 1 plus alpha t plus beta t. Now, close bracket, t square. Now, that is the formula. Now, when this RT is equal to temperature at this point, that means resistance at this 444.6 is what? 14.5 ohms. Resistance at what? 0 degree is 5.5 ohms. The resistor at 100 is what? 7.5 ohms. So we'll put it there. This one is what? 14.5 equals to what? 5.5, 1 plus alpha t square, t plus beta t square. Now what I want to do, let's form an equation from there. So this one will now be what? 14.5 equal to 5.5, 1 plus alpha 444.6 plus beta 444.6 all square, close bracket. So what do we have now? So I want to have it as what? Let this one multiply this one multiply this one, and this one multiply. I want to have what? 14.5 equal to 5.5 plus alpha times 444.6 times 5 plus beta of 444.6 all square times 5.5. This 5.5 plus this also plus, then times 5.5. So what you do is that you use this one to multiply this, use 5.5 to multiply this, use 5.5 to multiply this. So what I want to have is 444.6 square times 5.5. So I'm going to have it as 1087180.38 beta. So 4.44.6 square. That is 4.4.6 square times 5.5. So 1087180.35 to 38 beta. Then 444.6 times 5.5. So what we want to have is what? 2445.8 what? Alpha is 0.8 alpha is equals to what? Let's take this 5.5 to the other side. So we're going to have what? 14. Let's collect light and so bring it around 14.5 minus 5.5. So we're going to have 9. So our equation 1 will now be what? 2445.8 alpha plus 1087180.38 beta equal to 9. Equation 1. Now, what we're going to do now to get equation 2 is that we are now going to use what? R100 equal to R0 divided by 1 plus what? Alpha t plus what? Beta t square. We are going to use R what? 100. That means resistance at 100 degrees Celsius. That's what I want to use now. And what is that resistance at 100 degrees? 7.5 is equals to 5.5 1 plus what? Alpha 100. Don't forget your T is 100 degrees Celsius here. Don't convert to while your T here is what? 444.6 degrees Celsius. Leave it like that. Just substitute anywhere you see T. C is your temperature. 100 square. Now, what I want to do now is 7.7 equal to what? 5.5. If you open the bracket, this multiplied by this. This multiplied by, I want to have what? Plus 100 times 5.5 alpha plus what? 100 squared times 5.5 beta. So if you do that, I want to have it as what? 100 times 5.5. So I want to have it as 550 alpha plus 100 squared times 5.5. So that is what? 55000 beta is equals to, this one will go to the other side with shift. So this one will be what? Minus. If you move to this other side, become 7.5 minus 5.5. So I want to have what? 550 alpha plus what? 55000 beta equals to what? 7.5 minus 5.5 is 2. Just to confirm equation 2. Now, if you solve the two simultaneously, let's solve the two of them simultaneously. Go to equation number 1. That is what I want to do now is to what? 5. Equation 1 is what? 2445.8. That is alpha. 1087180.38. That is beta equals to 9. Then we have what? 550. Then 55000. Then 2. So our answer for beta will not be what? So alpha becomes what? 3.6237 times 10 power minus 3 per degree Celsius, because they are constant of what? The alpha and beta are determined by the what? The materials involved, the what do you call the thermometric property involved. Then beta will not be equal to what we have. The y will be for beta is 1.26 times 10 raised to the power of what? Minus 7 degree per degree Celsius. Let's confirm it again for the last time so that we can know the answer. Okay, please, this one is 0.3. It's 0.3 because it's rough here. Let me clean it so that we can see it well. That is 0.3. So when we are pressing our calculator, it's 0.3. 444.6 times 5.5. So let's go back again and press that simultaneous equation. So I want to have it as what? Equation 1. This is what? Equation 1 is what? This 1.8 is 0.8, 2, 4, 4, 5.3, not 0.8 is 3. Alpha, which is alpha is our x, 1087.180, no, 108718.38 is our s. Then the other one is what? It's 9. You go to the second one, 550 is our x. Our y is what? 55,000. And our s is what? Our is equal to 2. Rather. So our first answer is 3.62354. So there's a little mistake here. 546, which is approximately what? 3.62 times 10 to the power minus 3 degrees Celsius. Then this one is the second answer, 1.28. I think this place, if you go and use 8 here, this is 0.3 place. You're going to have different, that 1.26, only just because of this one. So you see it, okay, it's not even, you now go for none of the above. So we have to check our solution very well. So this is approximately what? Still 1.28. It's 1.2816. Approximately to the 2 decimal places, 1.28 times 10 to the power what? Minus 7 degrees Celsius per degree Celsius. So this is what our answer would be. This is the answer. No, sorry. So now be option A as the answer.